Hello guys, welcome back to Minis. The last time we have focused on the Spite Revenant for Blood Fairies. We focused on his lower part of the body. Now I want to focus on the body itself. As you can see here, I put my mini together separately from the bark, because for me it's much more handy to paint them separately. I have access to all details without ruining my previous work, because I prefer to work with an airbrush. So for this step, prime your mini black and leave it to dry. After you prime out dried, we will mark some shadows, and for this step we need ink from Game Color. We will zenithal highlight the upper part of the body and leave it to dry. After your highlight dried, this is the result you're looking for. As you can see, we could mark nearly every shadow we need. Now we will bring some colors to the flesh, and for this step we need the dark flesh tone from Vallejo, and we will paint this body from below. So as you did the zenithal highlight, we will exact the same path from the other side. After the dark flesh tone, this is more or less the result I was looking for. I tried to mark every shadow. As you can see, the arm I did not touch, because this I will paint red. I will show in the next step. And for now we need again to mark the lighter shadow, the lighter upper part of the body, and for this we will need aged white, and we do again the zenithal highlight from above. After your highlight dried, this is the result. As you can see here, we could mark nearly all shadows that we need. And for the next step, I will use Blood Angel's Red to paint his right arm. This is your end result for the right hand. As you can see, we have a nice red hand with nice shadows. And for the next step, we will smoothen out the transitions of, on his body with very heavy diluted skeleton horde. We will paint only on the transitions between the age white and the dark flesh tone, and in those recesses where we were not able to mark the shadows. I highlighted the right hand with a mix of Blood Angel's Red and some white from Vallejo, and marked the most reached out parts of this hand with white dots. The upper part of the body I highlighted with Screaming Skull and painted the eyes red. You can at this point already fill his scars with red and paint the gem, but you can leave it for later if you glue this part to the rest. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this short tutorial. and I will see you the next time. Bye bye!